Alright, welcome boys and girls. What I am going to be discussing today is the new concept of a slope field. Now there are several different ways that the AP tests ask you about slope fields, and what I'm going to be discussing in this video is just the physical construction of a slope field itself, like a physical picture of one. And so let's get started. So the first they say, consider the differential equation. The derivative is equal to y squared over x minus 1. Now, keep in mind that this dy dx is just a slope. It's not an equation of a line or anything. It's just literally physically the slope. So long story short, what's going to happen is we're going to find where are the slopes of these indicated points. So it says, on the axis provided, sketch the slope field for the given differential equation at the 6 points indicated. So at these 6 points, we need to use this to figure out the slope, and then physically just draw like a little dash line through these points of what the slope would be. So for instance, if this slope were 1, our little dash would be like in a positive 1 kind of aspect. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and start discovering what these individual slopes are. Okay, so for instance, if I need to know what is the slope that is going to go at that point right there, I notice that that point is at the point 0, 2. So plugging 0, 2 into our slope, we see that this would be y squared over x minus 1. So this denominator is negative 1. This would be negative 4. So the first thing that we need to do is find the slopes of all 6 of these. So I've gone ahead and done this already on a copy right now. Check me for my math. And I found all the slopes at these 6 indicated points. Alright? So all we have to do now is physically draw a little dash of these various slopes on those indicated dots. Alright, so the point 0, 0 will have a slope of 0. Okay, I'm looking right down here. 0, 0 will have a slope of 0. So 0, 0 will have a slope of 0. So what we do is we kind of draw a little dash line of a slope of 0. 0, 1, negative 1. So it will kind of connect to this idea right here. So this will have a slope of negative 1. 0, 2 is at negative 4. So negative 4, this is going to be kind of complicated. So it has a rise. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. So kind of pointing out right down here. So this is kind of what I'm aiming for. So it'll be a steep negative 4 line. Okay, on the other side, I'm going to go 0, 1, and 4. So 0, positive 1, and positive 4. Again, kind of aiming at that same dash line. It'll be super steep. So this is what a constructed slope field will look like.